Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Fonts in Elementor. If you're looking to expand your typography options and give your website access to hundreds of high-quality fonts, this quick setup will unlock that entire library for you. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress website dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools and settings needed to customize your site's appearance and functionality. Now, direct your attention to the upper left side of your dashboard where you'll find the Elementor section. This is your control center for all Elementor-related features and configurations. Click on Elementor to expand the menu, then look for the Settings option and click on it. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage various aspects of how Elementor operates on your site. Within the settings page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. What you're looking for here is the Advanced button. Go ahead and click on it. This tab houses more specialized settings that give you greater control over Elementor's features, including font management and integration options. Once you're in the Advanced section, scroll through the available options until you locate Google Fonts. This setting controls whether your Elementor editor and website have access to Google's extensive font library. By default, this might be disabled on some installations, but enabling it is straightforward. Simply toggle the Google Fonts option to enable it. This action immediately unlocks access to the full range of Google Fonts within your Elementor design interface. After enabling Google Fonts, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This ensures that your new setting is applied across your website. With Google Fonts now enabled, you'll be able to browse and apply hundreds of professionally designed typefaces to any text element on your site, giving you far more creative flexibility in your designs. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Google Fonts in Elementor, opening up a world of typography possibilities for your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.